Hey guys, it's Ben with Freespirit Recreation. Today we're going to go through an install of our 180 awning. The 180 awning is 90 inches long, it's 10 inches tall, and it's about 5 inches deep. It comes in weighing at 47 pounds. So today we're going to walk through what comes in the box, all the equipment that you guys are going to receive with your 180 awning, and then just how we put it together. So let's start from the beginning and look at the bag. You're going to get 5 ground stakes. You're going to get 5 tie-down straps here in orange. You're going to get 3 plates that are going to come together like this. Those are your mounting plates. And then we're going to get to the hardware. With the hardware, you're going to get 24 short M8 bolts. You're going to get 15 round-headed track bolts. You're going to get a plethora of nylocks, 15 locking nuts, and then washers. In order to start your install, we're going to start by preparing the brackets. When attaching the 2 plates, you're going to use 4 of the M8 bolts, and you're going to use 4 of the M8 nylocks. Once you put your bolt through both brackets, you're going to tighten it down with an M8 nylock. Each kit will come with a metric 13. I've got a few helping accessories here. I've got a monkey wrench, a vice grip, a ratcheting 13, and then I've also got a powered option as well. So we'll go ahead and get these all tightened down on here and move to the next step of the rack, getting it installed to your awning. So we've got the first 2 started, so you can see that. Once I finish the other 2, we'll go ahead and start installing them onto the awning. Now that we've got these all put together, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the end that has 4, and that's gonna actually attach to our awning. We're gonna grab our M8s, and we're gonna slide 2 in the top track for the top bolts, and we're gonna slide 2 in the bottom track for each bracket. So total with 3 brackets, we're gonna have 6 on the bottom and we're gonna have 6 on top. Now I've pre-marked on this awning with a tape measure, a mark at 12, a mark at 45, and then a mark at 12. So 12 inches from this side, 45 is dead center, 12 inches from the left side. That's gonna give us our placement for our brackets. When attaching your back plate to the awning, you're gonna wanna use an M8 bolt inside the track. Then you're going to want to top it with a washer and a nylock. You'll have 4 on each bracket. So 4 nylocks, 4 washers, and 4 M8s. Once you get to this part of the install, you can either measure again where your crossbars are at and tighten these down into place, or you can leave them loose until you get, we call it kind of a loose fitment, and then tighten them down at the end. So we've got all 3 brackets now loosely fitted in a position that we feel like is 12 inches from the edge, middle 12 inches. But the important part to talk about after you get this installed to your awning is a universal fitment to each and every rack, each and every platform. That's almost impossible for us to accomplish at Freespirit. So we highly recommend that you get hardware from the rack or the rack supplier that you're gonna mount your 180 awning to. And that's why you're gonna see all these holes in the bottom. Some have 2, some have 3. Some only have the ability for you to get 1 bolt in. You wanna have probably 3 bolts if you only have 1 track. That wraps up the basics of installing our 180 and getting your brackets onto your awning. So now that we've got the awning fully installed to the back plate, we've got it on our vehicle, now it's time to get outside and have some fun. The way to open your 180 awning is you've got 2 zippers on the bottom. Go ahead and take a zipper to each side, fold over the awning cover, and then work from the left side, pull out one side of your awning, work from the right side, pull out your other side of your 180 awning, attach your corners, and you should be good to go to have a great adventure and have some fun out on the trail.